Right, so this is super tasty, super healthy, vegetarian and vegan. What we've got here is a lovely vegetable stew with brown lentils, tomatoes, garlic and cumin. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. Let's look at some essentials first. So I've got 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 teaspoons of cumin, 1 can of tomatoes, and our cooked brown lentils. There's about 3 cups there of the lentils. Now, the other vegetables, you can put in exactly how much you want, or a different vegetable. You can sort of mix it up. So I've got a little bit of carrot, cup of bell peppers, cup of okra. These are called zero, by the way. They're the smallest grade you can get. You can use a different type if you want. Some green beans, zucchini, and then I've got these eggplants. Now, I'm not going to put them in whole. I'm going to cut them, but I don't want to cut them until they're ready to go in because they can discolor. Salt and pepper, bit of oil, that's about it. It's fantastic, this one. Okay, so I've got a nice saucepan here and I've got some olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. In goes that 1 cup of onion, the 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then I'm going to pop in my hardest vegetables first, so tiny amount of carrot I'm using today, but you could use more, and my green beans. Above medium heat, 3 minutes, give it a stir every now and then. Fabulous. Okay, time for my eggplants. I've cut them now. And I'm using this type of eggplant, but you could use a regular kind of size one and cut it into pieces. Another 3 minutes. Again, little stir every now and then. Fab. Okay, we're going to now get in our cooked lentils, our brown lentils. I'm going to add that little bit of bell pepper, my okra, and my zucchini. To that, 3 teaspoons of cumin, a generous pinch of black pepper, a generous pinch of salt, and again another 3 to 4 minutes now, giving it a little stir every now and then. We're well on our way. Really fabulous. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes. I've got a whole plum tomato there. I'm just going to break that really roughly with my spoon. We're going to get some water in, or stock if you wanted. I'm going to put this on a nice low heat now, like to a simmer. I'm going to pop a lid on that. Leave that for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, just taking the lid off. Off goes the heat. That is a beauty. If you want, run some fresh parsley or fresh cilantro through that. I'm keeping it just like that today. Really, really delicious. Okay, and there you go. Super easy. Add what vegetables you want. Just really plain and simple and really tasty. You could add that with some rice, with some bread, or even with some pasta if you want, or just like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. You keep safe, you keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.